The homemade enzyme cleaner that dissolves hard water stains in seconds. There is a white, chalky, stubborn deposit coating your taps, your shower screen, your bathroom tiles, and your kettle right now. You have scrubbed it. You have soaked it. You have spent money on descaling products that work partially and temporarily before it returns, always within days. What if the most powerful solution to hard water stains is not a product you buy, but something you make at home in 10 minutes from kitchen scraps that would otherwise go in the bin? Today, we make it together, and the results will genuinely shock you. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and ring the notification bell, because this homemade enzyme cleaner is one of those discoveries that the hard water story. Depending on where you are in the world, there is a significant chance that you live in a hard water area. Your tap water carries dissolved minerals on a journey through your home that ends the same way every single time. The kitchen tap that now has a crusty white collar. The shower screen that started transparent and now carries a milky film. The kettle interior coated in a thick layer of white scale that you try not to think about when you make your morning tea. Gravity and evaporation doing exactly what physics requires them to do. Making your enzyme cleaner. Gather your materials. You need the peel from approximately 3 to 4 citrus fruits. The fruit itself can be used normally. Juice it, eat it, use it in cooking. Only the peel goes into the cleaner. Roughly chop the peel into pieces small enough to fit easily into your container. This increases the surface area available for fermentation and accelerates the process. Pour 1 liter of water into a clean plastic bottle or jar with a lid. Add 100 grams of brown sugar. Stir until the sugar dissolves completely. Add the chopped citrus peel. Seal the container loosely. Place it somewhere at room temperature. After 3 months, the cleaner is fully matured and at its maximum potency. Strain the finished cleaner through a fine mesh or cloth, pressing the peel to extract as much liquid as possible. Bottle the strained liquid in a spray bottle or sealed container. The smell will be citrusy with a fermented undertone. It is not unpleasant, and it dissipates quickly after application. And the peel from fruit you would otherwise have composted. Accelerated method. When you cannot wait 3 months. For immediate results on existing hard water staining, dissolve 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder in 500 milliliters of warm water. Transfer to a spray bottle. Apply generously to any limescale-affected surface. For immediate targeted mineral deposit removal, and the enzyme cleaner for regular maintenance application that prevents deposits from establishing while simultaneously addressing organic buildup. Together, they represent a complete hard water management system made entirely from natural ingredients. Application. Surface by surface. Spray enzyme cleaner or citric acid solution across the entire screen. For the heavy horizontal bands of deposit at water level, soak a paper towel in the solution and press it against the glass, leaving it in place for a full hour. After the contact period, use a non-scratch scrubbing pad in circular motions across the screen surface. For taps and fixtures, wrap them completely in citric acid-soaked cloths secured in place with elastic bands, or fill a plastic bag with solution and secure it around the tap using the same method recommended for shower heads in previous videos. For kettle descaling, fill the kettle halfway with equal parts water and white vinegar, or with a citric acid solution made by dissolving 2 tablespoons of citric acid powder in the water. Bring to a boil. Leave to soak for 30 minutes. Rinse thoroughly with clean water, boiling and discarding a full kettle of plain water twice before using the kettle for drinking water. The hard water stains on your taps and tiles and shower screen are not permanent features of your home. That is the power of understanding what the stain actually is and giving it exactly the chemistry it cannot survive. If this opened your eyes to a solution you genuinely did not know existed, hit the like button right now. It helps this channel reach more people fighting the same battle with the wrong weapons. Subscribe to The Big Sweep and turn on the notification bell, so natural cleaning discoveries like this always reach you first. Share it with someone whose bathroom has been losing the hard water war for too long. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.